If you use the internet, chances are you've been a victim of a data breach at some point. Surfshark Alert detects these breaches. It scans the dark web looking for your information, specifically for your email address, credit card, or social security number. If we find this information, we will send you a warning so that you are the first one to take action. In this video, we will show you how to use Surfshark Alert for email monitoring. We also have a video that covers national ID and credit card monitoring. To begin with, head over to Surfshark's website and log into your account. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find the list of Surfshark security tools. Click on the Alert tab and select Monitor Emails. Surfshark is committed to your privacy. Read our privacy policy for a clear explanation of how we treat your personal data. Then check the box and click Continue. You will firstly need to activate two-factor authentication. If you haven't activated 2FA yet, there is a tutorial on how to do this in the video description. To start using Alert, enter the email address that you want to check and click Activate. You will now have to verify your identity via email. Open your inbox, where you will find a letter from Surfshark. Follow the instructions inside to complete the verification process. From now on, we will automatically scan online databases looking for your leaked personal details. If we find anything, we will notify you via email. Searching for data breaches will take us a moment. In the meantime, you can add more emails by pressing the plus sign. Click on the trash can to remove an email. After the scan is complete, you will see all the data breaches where your email was compromised. Click on the drop-down arrow for more details about a specific case. Press the eye icon to see your leaked passwords. Passwords are the first thing you'll want to look at. Once they're leaked, you must change them immediately. In order to protect yourself, head over to the website that was breached. Log into your account and change all the personal details possible. Make sure that you're not using the same password for other accounts. Once your account is secure, press the Archive button. On the bottom of the page, you'll find all the old breaches. Your leaked personal data is neatly organized inside these folders. Click on Passwords to see all your leaked passwords. Then you'll either see your actual password or a string of random characters. If your password doesn't look right to you, it may be hashed. This means that a breached website tried to hide your password by encrypting it. However, a hacker can still work out what your actual password was. That's why you should change your exposed passwords immediately. Finally, head over to the Alert tab and click on Settings. Here you'll find 3 tabs. Breach Report is a summary of any breaches that have affected you. To enable this feature, toggle the button below. You can now choose how often you'd like to receive automatic breach reports. Whenever a new breach occurs, we will automatically send you a notification via email. Here you can pick which email address you want to receive notifications to. Remove All Data function allows you to delete all personal data from Surfshark Alert permanently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you have any questions, contact the Surfshark customer support team. If you want to learn more about Surfshark, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click on another video to keep watching.